And hello everybody, this is Trieste Villas, Strada Costiera, and this is by far the finest place we've ever introduced. The place is absolutely amazing. A couple of 100 meters, there's the castle of Mare. You have complete, absolute privacy. You can go bathing naked at night. Nobody will be here to judge you. So for once we'll play a game. I won't tell you anything about this place. It's 300 square meters. It has a huge garden which surrounds the property, an amazing terrace and a pier. And if you wish to pull up your boat with a cable, it does have a garage for a boat. If you've been looking for a house on the Costiera, give us a call straight away. If you wish to have a look at the interiors, there is a link to the 3D tour. The basic idea is Trieste Villas is 9 years old to this day, and we never had a first world villa. This is how lucky we got and how lucky maybe you can be. The one thing which you can have is time, because this will be a very short sale. Contact us for the private collection, because we do have many properties which are actually off market. So drop us a line and we're here to help.